Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening settings so you can inspect the phone identity straight away. Once done, confirm the SIM is seated and you see carrier signal. That lets the system read the line number. Make sure Bluetooth or data isn't interfering. Disable airplane mode if active. Now scroll to the system area where device details live. This avoids wasted navigation and puts you directly where Android stores carrier and SIM metadata, so you can retrieve the number quickly. Next, tap About Phone, then Status or SIM status depending on your Android skin. Manufacturers place it differently. Look for fields labeled Phone Number or My Phone Number. That's where Android shows the line saved on the SIM. If that field is blank, go to Contacts and open your profile labeled My Info, because some carriers sync the number there instead. Make sure to read both SIM and device info. Finally, long press the displayed phone number to copy it to the clipboard, or write it down and save it to your profile for future use. Once copied, send it to a trusted contact or store it in notes so you don't lose it. If you don't see any number, restart the phone and reseat the SIM card, because many blanks are due to SIM read errors. If that fails, contact your carrier. Sometimes they must provision the number on their end.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.